The natural follow-on for showing products in the the attributes in the category would be to show them on the product page where applicable. Now, again, not all attributes will be shown on the product page, but I want to quickly walk through what does it take to show them there. So let's pop over into our manufacturer attribute. I dropped down to Storefront properties. You already saw this, but visible on category pages on Storefront. Now, we're going to talk about then how to add this attribute here. I already added it here into our Joust duffel bag. But when setting this to be yes, our manufacturer is visible in this more information or specifications tab. It's pretty much as simple as that. It automatically happens. You don't have to get a developer involved to be able to do something like this. So just mark this to be yes, assign a value, and it will automatically display on the front end. Now, one thing I would like to show you though is how we can override these values. So let's say we have our different options here. So we're going to say M, and we'll just call this M. We'll shorten up to M and test. So we're going to save and continue edit this attribute option value, attribute value, and we're going to come back over here, and we see that the manufacturer changed to M. Why did the manufacturer change to M? Well, because this is basically the admin value or the global value, but then this is the default store view. We are browsing in this default store view, as I talked about scopes earlier. So we browse at that lowest level of scope, the store view scope. And because we have overridden it there, that's where it changes. And obviously, if we were browsing in the Spanish scope, it would show there. And I don't think, we actually couldn't go look at that. I forgot about this. We can come over here to Spanish, and we see that is set to test. So we have this store view selector. Most stores have this disabled. Over in Europe, there is a good use case for this to be able to select which country or which translation you want to browse in. As such, then this changes. So this is a very hopefully good example, easy to see how we can override these values and make it usable here in Adobe Commerce. Great work, and we'll jump into the next one.